Welcome to the 8th series of mathematics for Telangana State Board of Class 10th. So this is our 8th chapter, similar triangles, and we are discussing the important questions of this chapter. So in this chapter, whatever the question is given, that is totally important only, but in that also I will make or I will mark the very important question and practice question. So let's see this. So I will not tell the weightage of this chapter because I have been no longer experience about this, because when I see the paper I cannot decide or I cannot say that it can come or not. So from 2014 to 2024 the paper pattern is totally different, so I cannot particularly say, but from 4 chapters I already telling you from starting onwards: real numbers, graph, statics and probability. In this one 28 marks is final. Why? Because it can carry the long question and short question also. So 28 marks is final from this 4 chapter. If you practice these 4 chapters you can pass easily. Okay, so I hope it is clear to you. So let's come and see that one. So here the question is given. The first one: if the side of the equality triangle is, what is the altitude? Well, this question can come on the 1 mark. Object 1 mark I written. I have to write the 1 mark. Okay, 1 mark. Why this can come? Because objective papers, bit paper you can say, or objective paper. So in this one, 20 marks for the 1 mark question. So it can come in that. So option 2 is question number 2 is important. Question number 3 is also important. You have to just give the graph and you have to find. And here, fourth one you can practice, fifth one you can practice. In this one MCQ you have to practice all the question, because this is a very important. Okay, after that let's come very short question answer, and whatever the question you are looking, this already come in your examination of 2024 to 2025. So don't take this paper very easy. Okay, and don't think, oh, this paper is just designed like that. This paper is totally based on your examination. Okay, thousands of teachers did their best to make this book and decide the questions. Okay, so don't take this book or this paper very like rough. This is not an easy thing. Okay, so let's see the very question short answer. The first question is you can practice as usual, I am telling, but the third question is important, fourth one is important, and this sixth one is very important. After that, whatever the you are looking at the diagram, this all diagram is very important, and this one you can practice, and this is important, and once more this you can practice, this is very important, and then after you can just practice this question. Easy type question, in this one I don't think any will be. So in easy type question you can practice this 2 1, third one, and this is very important, fourth one, and fifth one is also important. So these are the only chapters which is important in this one. Next chapter we will talk about tangents and seconds of socket. Okay, but till here I hope it is clear to you. And if you have any kinds of doubt regarding to the math series, and if you're looking for the math, physics, chemistry, bio, social studies, most important question chapter wise, so just go to the our channel, click on the playlist. In the playlist you will find a lot of the videos, chapter wise videos, importance video. Okay, otherwise you can just in description you can also click, but actually in description there is a no, but you can just directly go through our channel, click on the playlist, you will find it out. Okay, I hope this is helpful for you, and if you have any kinds of doubt, and if you have any idea in your mind according, if you have any suggestion, you can just give to the our comment section, and we will meet our next video